Hello everyone, I am Socrates Bharat. Today we are going to talk about server-side attack. We are going to use Metasploitable. It is a virtual machine and Linux OS. OS contains number of server and number of web application. This acts like a normal web application. We are going to install in this our virtual machine, and then future we are going to use as a target to learn how to hack into server. You can download this from following link. And now I have also included this link to my video description. Okay. I am already installed in my VM. I am going to start. Username MSF admin. MSF admin. Password also same. MSF admin. It is a vulnerable machine. It is designed to be a vulnerable. Right now, it is all inside our lab. So nobody outside our lab can access it. So this is a really good way to use it. We will use this machine in future video for server-side attack, step by step. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you want to see a lot more video like this, subscribe my channel and share my video. If you have any doubts, comment below.